Welcome back to the Ninja FlexFlame Getting Started series. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to select a cooking function and choose the best temperature for whatever you're making. The Ninja FlexFlame has taken the guesswork out of grilling. Each preset function is designed to automatically give you the optimal conditions needed for whatever you're cooking. Just select a function, choose a temperature, and the system will essentially take care of the rest. Let's get into it. The FlexFlame has 4 preset functions to select from: grill/pizza, 2-zone, roast/bake, and low and slow, which ultimately determine which burners will be on, as well as the temperature ranges you can select from. The burners automatically adjust for each function, but you can still place your food anywhere on the grill grates due to the grill's convection. The cyclonic fan evenly circulates heat throughout the grill cavity, resulting in even, fast cooking. Be sure to expect shorter cook times when cooking on the FlexFlame. For instance, if I wanted to fire up some steaks, I would select the grill/pizza function and all 3 burners would automatically turn on. I would then choose a specific temperature between 230 and 315 degrees Celsius, which is the set temperature range for the grill/pizza function. Plus, with the Ninja Woodfire technology, you can add a hint of smoky flavor to the grill/pizza function and all other functions with only 2 cups of pellets. This function also works best when using the pizza stone for artisan-style outputs. With the Ninja FlexFlame, you can get perfectly crispy crust and caramelized toppings in as little as 5 minutes. For the 2-zone function, the front and middle burners are on and the back burner is off, giving you an indirect cooking zone in the back. This function is best if you're cooking multiple food loads with different cooking times. For instance, when cooking whitefish and asparagus, I would start with both food loads on the front burners. And once the asparagus is close to being done, I can utilize the indirect cooking zone in the back to keep it warm while the fish finishes cooking. And don't forget, you can also add a hint of smoky flavor to these dishes as well. The roast bake function reaches temperatures between 150 and 230 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for roasting large cuts of meat, vegetables, and even baking your favorite comfort foods or sweet treats. Anything you make in your indoor oven can now be made outside. For this function, the front and back burners are on and the middle burner is off. However, you can still place your food anywhere on the grill grates due to the grill's convection. The cyclonic fan evenly circulates heat throughout the grill cavity, giving you consistent temperatures. And you guessed it, you have the option of roasting or baking with or without a hint of smoky flavor. Did someone say smoked mac and cheese or campfire smoked brownies? Last but certainly not least is the low and slow function. With only the middle burner on, you're able to reach the lowest temperatures between 95 and 150 degrees Celsius, and ultimately turn your Ninja FlexFlame into a full-size smoker. This function is best for longer cooked barbecue classics like baby back ribs and pork shoulder. Simply fill your pellet box with Ninja Woodfire pellets, press Woodfire flavor, and then close the lid. You can always add additional pellets as desired throughout your cook. As if grilling, cooking, roasting, and pizza making weren't enough, you can also griddle on the Ninja FlexFlame. The half and full griddle plates fit right inside the FlexFlame and can be swapped with the FlexFlame grates, so you can prepare a delicious full English breakfast all on one plate. The griddle can be used with any function, depending on what you're making. Be sure to reference the griddle cooking charts in the Quick Start Guide to see which function and temperature you should use for best results. Whether you're grilling, smoking, roasting, griddling, or making pizza, you can feel confident while you cook.